should by reason least be gay. Let my will and true love summon me and strive, that I should be full of joy and play. If she slays me, hers shall be the sin always. Too sweet a name has she to do base strife. And if by my eyes I am tormented in the fray, whence I saw her, what ought I to her? Demand, save, mercy, stir. Since through myself I am from joy estranged, I must not complain of her. However I have been angered or changed, sweetly am I deceived by her. Love, ill I saw those who have betrayed you, and on you avenge your grief and care. And yet I have not deserved toward you anything for which I should feel despair. My heart you have long since was I aided there, rather it has left me for your company's due. And if it please you cruelly, you test me here as a friend, for never of a friend will you make an enemy in the end. So I pray you let mercy on me descend, for if you together with the life I spend constrain me without end, I was beauty seen without pity to lend. With great effort I have vanquished the grief that thought to turn me from this love away. But I say not that she has given me relief, rather she makes me dearly pay and pay, my sweet lady, to prove me in the fray, so that I have all other love lost beyond retrieval, and I have nothing left wherewith another to love, nor serve aright, nor deserve requite, nor can I, for any ill I suffer in her sight, make the pain I have borne for her wish for guerdon or reward. I know not if mercy I might find ever in her heart to have. Not so certainly, rather shall it be so dear to me, and I cannot without dying buy it free. Joy I had of her, she has taken it back from me. Nothing as she put there she would not remove, save will which she cannot freeze or stay. Wherefore love has descended into my heart to prove, which she has left me to desire her body fair.
I so desire,
That at her pleasure I might of her have joy,
for otherwise I seek not to deceive her there.
so may joy be rendered to me,
And may I recover the love I swear.
that I have said true without falseness anywhere.
Never yet did heart and will or thought prove itself so well toward a lady as my own. But I know not how she can be loved as she owed. She of another who never will love her heart as known. With that heart I love her, which first for her left me lone, and yet never was there division wrought. Wholly we with her did it give itself overthrown by my own, as she grieved me still, and by my own desires thrill.
Never shall my lady have reproach for it,
Perhaps she shall be blamed for it,
but none shall be more grieved by it
then I
she showed to me, and her face so fresh and colored and untrembled, whereby the pride in her heart came down to be, which will make her slay her lover verily, if true love does not grant me lasting duration. For it is the thing in this world that most speedily is healed and whole, a man wounded in soul of that sweet infirmity, as I ever last. Blessed be she who wounded me, for soon will she have healed me all of my grief when it pleases her, and pity shall some